Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can mute or if you like block users in the Bluesky application, a social media platform similar to X/Twitter I found recently and that has gained some real momentum and popularity due to the latest events in politics. It is super simple and I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Now let's assume you're using your account on Bluesky for personal or maybe even for commercial purposes, like for instance to promote your own brand or your company or to get in contact with potential customers and followers. But unfortunately, it turned out that there are some users on Bluesky that seem to behave adversarial towards your brand or maybe even towards your person. So guys, luckily there's a solution to this problem. All you need to do is simply block or mute the given user here on Bluesky so that the given person will not be able anymore to follow you, to read your posts, to reply to them, to retweet them, or to interact with you in any way. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. Simply log into your account here on Bluesky. The method that I'm about to show you can be applied on both device types, on web as well as on mobile devices. So once you're inside your account, guys, simply click on that gear icon here at the bottom of that left sidebar and access your account settings. Here inside your account settings, head over to the moderation section and here you see this list, muted or blocked users. You will see the list of users on Bluesky you have successfully blocked or muted. However, there's a slight difference between muting someone and blocking someone, but more about that just in a moment. So to block someone, simply head back to your home feed, click on the username of the user you would like to block, click on these three dots here in the top right corner and decide whether you would like to mute or block the given user. If you, for instance, decide to mute a given user, that user's posted content, for example, will not appear anymore in your home feed. If you decide to block the given user, though, the given person or user will not be able anymore to follow you and to interact with the content you share on your account here on Bluesky. So that's the difference, guys. And if you mistakenly or accidentally block or mute someone, you can always reverse that decision by simply unblocking the given person here inside your moderation section in your account settings, guys. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you later on our channel.